Number 5. The Uppababy Vista V2 Stroller stands as a top-tier choice in the world of premium strollers, delivering unmatched versatility, sleek aesthetics, and parent-focused functionality that easily justifies its reputation as one of the best strollers available today. Designed to grow with your family, the Vista V2 effortlessly transforms from a single to a double stroller with the addition of a second seat or bassinet. Number 4. The Baby Jogger City Tour 2 ultra-compact travel stroller is a remarkable blend of convenience, comfort, and durability, making it a standout choice among top travel strollers, especially for parents on the go. Its ultra-compact fold is effortlessly completed in seconds, producing a nearly suitcase-sized package that's ideal for airline travel, crowded city streets, or tight car trunks. Despite its compact profile, the stroller doesn't compromise on comfort. The backrest reclines fully to accommodate naps on the move, and the padded 5-point harness ensures secure seating for infants and toddlers alike. Equipped with all-wheel suspension and a durable frame, it delivers a smooth ride over pavement and curbs. Number 3. The Mockingbird single-to-double stroller is a true standout in versatile family gear, effortlessly evolving with your growing brood while delivering a refined blend of style, convenience, and thoughtful engineering. At its core, the stroller is designed to accommodate children from infancy through toddlerhood, smoothly transitioning from a single to a double setup without sacrificing maneuverability or comfort. Its sleek aluminum frame feels remarkably light and nimble, yet provides a sturdy ride, enhanced by front-wheel suspension that absorbs bumps and ensures a smooth journey across city streets or park trails. The included Magnatech one-step fold mechanism is intuitive and fast, allowing busy parents to collapse the stroller with one hand, a lifesaver when juggling diaper bags or wrangling little ones. Inside, the seat reclines nearly flat, complete with an adjustable calf support and a cozy 5-point harness to keep growing passengers secure and comfortable. The generously sized canopy offers superior protection from sun and light rain, while a peekaboo window provides that crucial line of sight for peace of mind. When paired with the optional second seat or standing board, this stroller adapts beautifully to siblings without becoming unwieldy, and a spacious undercarriage holds a surprisingly large amount of gear for its streamlined design. With premium fabric choices and a modern aesthetic, the Mockingbird single-to-double stroller seamlessly integrates style into everyday family life, making it a smart and flexible investment for parents seeking long-term use. Number 2. The Thule Urban Glide 2 jogging stroller exemplifies a harmonious fusion of athletic performance, everyday versatility, and Swedish-inspired design, making it an exceptional companion for active parents and adventurous families alike. Engineered with a lightweight yet robust frame, this stroller glides effortlessly over varying terrain thanks to its large, air-filled rear wheels, swiveling front wheel, which locks securely for running, and superior suspension system that smooths out every bump. Inside, the seat reclines comfortably to support an infant with optional accessories, while its spacious layout and supportive 5-point harness keep toddlers secure and engaged during brisk jogs or leisurely walks. A generous, adjustable canopy offers ample sun protection with a mesh ventilation panel that provides fresh airflow, and parents will appreciate the integrated handbrake for controlled descents and the sleek, multi-position handlebar that accommodates different heights. The Urban Glide 2 doesn't skimp on practicality either, with a large rear basket for storage and reflective detailing for enhanced visibility in low light. Whether navigating city sidewalks, breaking into a jog through the park, or carrying out daily errands, the Thule Urban Glide 2 balances performance, comfort, and functionality in a streamlined package that stays ready for both daily life and active pursuits. Number 1. The Mompush Ultimate 2 Baby Stroller for Toddler with removable bassinet delivers an impressive combination of comfort, adaptability, and ease of use that positions it among the